Today I'm going to show you how to install Fedora in a VirtualBox. To install Fedora in a VirtualBox, you need to have VirtualBox setup and you need to have a Fedora latest version ISO image. Let me show you both the links, how to download, how to install it. So as you can see on screen, this is open the Google and type Oracle VirtualBox, and you can see this is the website of VirtualBox. Just right click and open this downloads link, and you will be come to the website of Oracle VirtualBox. As you can see on the screen, this is the VirtualBox of 4.3 for the 14 version for Linux host. For Solaris purpose, you can download the Solaris supported, and for Windows, download this Windows host 64-bit, and for OS Mac OS you can download this one. So what I supported, just you click on download, and let me show you the Fedora link, and just open the Google and type here Fedora. So after typing the Fedora here, this, as you can see, the first link of Fedora project with the website will come. Here is the website of Fedora. This is the Fedora website, and this is the latest version showing 20 for desktop edition showing. And you need to, before installation, you need to have you need to have a blank CD or DVD, or if you have a pen drive, means 1 GB should be free space, and it should be a 64-bit supported motherboard here, and VirtualBox also 64-bit. You need to have a RAM at least 1 GB, and you need to have a hard disk free space of at least 10 GB. These things, if you have, means you can install Fedora. And here is the link you are downloading. Just click onto the download now, and here it's a and so as you can see, this is the size of 953 MB, the size of Fedora live desktop 8.6 and 20. This is the 64-bit 30-bit ISO image which I have already downloaded. I have ISO image, and let me show you this. This is my ISO image which I have 32-bit and 64 935 MB. And let me show you about how it installation in VirtualBox. This is my VirtualBox. Just click on create a new, type Fedora and select 64-bit. If you have 34-bit 30-bit, select, and selecting upon this, click on next, and assign your RAM as much as do not go beyond to this red point, just stay on the green point last. Just click on next, create, and click on next, and this is the hard disk size, and this is the location where you are going to save the hard disk in your system, and how much space you want to give. Assign, just give assign space according to your hard disk size. I am giving 30, and here's my location. I am changing my location, so I have changed my location. If you want default location, means it will be KB default location, it will be installed in C drive. So I am going to click on credit. I need to change few settings. Click on settings, and here we need to go and check this floppy, so that it will boot from directly CD-ROM. And you need to have a like ISO image, assign ISO image, where it is ISO image. Just click on choose and go to the desktop, and just click select this Fedora. Okay, go to the network point, assign bridge adapter, so that you can access internet after the installation, and just click on start. So here is the link on start. Just click on press enter. So wait for a few seconds. It's not booting. So now it's there are two methods you can install Fedora. One is, if you want to try only without installation, means it will be just you can try about this, like you can access the Fedora browser files, that's it only till this one is VirtualBox on. After that, if you shut down, means you cannot access this Fedora, just like only the test purpose. And if you want to install in a hard drive, means as you can see, just click on this one. Before installation you can try this one, and after that you can continue with the hard disk installation. Just select this hard disk, and though it will ask keyboard language, all those things. Select this language keyboard according to your language purpose, which country you belong, which language you know first, whether Hindi, English, Bengali, Telugu, Marathi, and I am going to select English. So, and just click on next, continue with this installation. If you want to quit means here is the quit, you can quit if you do not want installation means. So before installation it's showing some error. Please complete items market with this icon before continuing to the next step. So what is error showing? Let us begin. Here is the time is taken and keyboard English and network C is where we have connected. No, just configure bridge adapter, so it's showing connected. And here is the partition showing, just click on this one, and here is my 30 GB hard disk. And I'm going to scroll down, is showing about this capacity free showing, or let me just click on this one partition. Yes, click on that and click on done. After clicking on done, this is the automatic created partitions. So here is showing you have 31.31 GB of free space, which is enough to install Fedora. What you will like to do, it's automatically configure Fedora installation to the disk, select and return to the main menu. I want to review and modify my disk partition before continue. If you want to have like partition scheme, which one, BRSTF, LVM, standard partition you can select, or else you can select this encrypt my data. And if you want to add some more option means you can select this option. I will select this automatically configure those installation. If you want to manually configure means select this I want to review and modify manually, so click on continue. So it will save this storing the space. After saving the story we can click on continue. See, we can begin the installation. Just click on begin installation. Yeah, so till its installation complete, we'll set the password and username for login. We'll set the first password, and we need to set the password is a strong password you can set, so that it will be easy. And remember the password, whatever you have put in the password, just scroll this one up and click on done. After done, just create a new user. This for login purpose. Just give as according to your name whatever you have. If you want to give the username full permission administrator, check the box. If you do not want to give the password for this router means uncheck this box. So if you, I'm give the password for this one. If you want to go to advanced you can installation go, just click on done. See, we have set the password and the username to login. Installation has been, software is complete 8%. It takes some time, 20 minutes, half an hour, or so you can have a coffee or tea till then. Now as you can on screen, completed. Fedora is now successful install on my system, ready to use. Just reboot the system, start using. Just click on it and check a reboot option, quit it. Again installation started means what you have to do is just close this one, like just power off this one, and click on this one VirtualBox and go to settings. You need to uncheck this CD-ROM, uncheck, scroll down and click OK. After that start it, so that you can directly uh, go to the login page. It will not start again installation. Unchecking this one, just see, as you can see, click on enter. So it's loading all these configuration booting files, kernel, checking services, everything is okay or not, checking rate values or checking. Okay, it's showing okay, okay, everything. If you get any fail means after logging, please check that fail, what you have get error, and resolve that error. So you can see on screen, this is my username Ubuntu. Give the password, what you have given password, click on sign in. This is the Fedora 20 version and has been installed successful, and this is, I have been logging completely. So after login, it's asking language. If you are from French, Arabic, Chinese, you can select this language. Click on next. Click on next. If you want to connect to the online photos cloud network means, you can add an account, online account. Start using Fedora. So this is the Fedora. So this is the desktop Fedora 20 version. This is a browser, as you can see, and here is you type search. If you need anything means like terminal, if you need means just type terminal, it will come terminal. If you need anything related to this means, you can go to type just the word or letter, it will come up. And here is you can see this is one, your battery backup, sound files is there. If you want to shut down or restart means, this is the shutdown. If you want to lock means, you can lock. And if you want to have settings means, you can go to the settings. Here is the sound, you want to continue sound, and click on activities. And you click on activities, these desktop icons will be hide. So this is the Fedora 20 version. Installation has been completed. Thank you for watching my IT Cloud Network video. If you get any problems during the installation means, you can comment that in my below video, so that I can review and I can reply you. Thank you for watching IT Cloud Network. Please subscribe to IT Cloud Network.